Good
Good morning,
morning, everyone.
everyone. Today, we are very excited to present our project on simulation a bipolar junction transistor, that is BJT voltage divider circuit using Python.
In the realm of electronics, understanding how components like transistors behave is crucial. A BJT or bipolar junction transistor is a fundamental building block in electronic circuits. It can amplify current and switch signals. In this project, we have created an interactive simulation to demonstrate how a BJT operates within a voltage divider circuit.
The simulation we have developed using Python and Matplotlib library illustrates the behavior of BJT in three modes: the active saturation and cutoff. The core of the simulation involves adjusting parameters such as supply voltage, that is VCC, and resistor values that are RB1, RB2, and observe their impact on the circuit's performance.
Now let us talk about the key components of the simulation. The first one is voltage divider network. This network sets the base voltage of the BJT influencing its operating point.
The second one is BJT parameters. The bipolar junction transistor is characterized by its circuit gain, that is V, base emitter voltage, that is VBE, and saturation voltage, that is VCE SAT.
Now the third one and the last one is sliders for interaction. To make the simulation interactive, we have included sliders that allow real-time adjustment of VCC, RB1 and RB2. This interaction helps in visualizing changing these parameters, affects the base current IB, collector current IC, and collector emitter voltage VCE.
Now we through a stimulation. Initially, the circuit parameters are initialized with default values. We have the power supply voltage, which is your 20 volts, the resistors RB1 and RB2 set to 100 kilo ohms and 10 kilo ohms respectively.
Now second, the 3D plot and the circuit diagram. The simulation provides the 3D plot that dynamically updates to show the current, voltage and power relationship as we adjust the parameters. Additionally, there is the circuit diagram displaying the layout and components.
Interactive sliders. By moving the sliders of VCC, RB1 and RB2, we can see real time.
Now, let us talk about the significance of the simulation. The simulation is significant because it provides a hands on visual approach to learning about BJTs and voltage divider circuits. By interacting with the sliders, we can gain a deeper understanding of how BJT work and how different parameters influence their operation. This kind of simulation bridges the gap between theoretical and concepts and practical understanding.
Now, the conclusion of a simulation. In this conclusion, our project on simulating a BJT voltage divider circuit with Python offers an interactive and educational tool for exploring transistor behavior. It is an excellent example of how programming and electronics can combine to enhance learning experiences.
Thank you for your attention. We hope you found this presentation insightful.
Thank you. एडिटिंग कर लो बस ठीक है